Here's an example of compound interest, future value. That means we're looking for some value in the future. In this case, the question is, how much would $10,000 be worth in 12 years if you get 6% interest per annum? This slash means per, the A means annum or year, so you get 6% interest per year, and that interest is compounded quarterly. Well, for my answer, I like to set up the APIN or APIN and calculate those separately before I do my equation. In this case, the A, the amount at the end, is unknown. That's what we're trying to solve. Let's put a question mark there. That's what we're trying to find. What's the P? The principal, the starting amount. In this case, we're starting with $10,000. What's the I? Well, the I is the interest, but in particular, it's the interest per compounding period. In other words, we get 6% interest, which is 0.06, but we get it 4 times a year. So we divide 0.06 by 4. And that gives us 0.015. So that's our interest. In other words, we get 1.5%. Makes sense, right? We get 1.5% 4 times to get 6%. How many times do we get that rate? Well, we get it 4 times a year because it's quarterly. Why 4? Quarters. 4 quarters in a year. So we get 4 times that interest for 12 years, or we get 4 interests 12 times. Now we have everything I need. Well, we should change this. 4 times 12 is just 48. We have everything we need to do the equation. What's our equation? There it is. A equals P times 1 plus I to the power of n. I read my I cursive so as it's not to be confused with the 1. The principal is $10,000. 1 plus 0.015. I'm just subbing in now. There's my P. There's my I. Here's my N. One more simplifying step. I can add 1 plus 0.015. Oh, I forgot to add it. I just rewrote it. That's no good. 1 plus 0.015 is just 1.015. And now I can do all that in one step in the calculator. 1.015 to the power of 48 equals times 10,000. Calculator's going to round, so I better put a rounding dot. So in 12 years, my $10,000 is now worth $20,434.78. There's my final answer. It's a word problem, so I should have a word answer. It will be worth $20,434.78.